How to set notifications and reminders in Trello. Start here Trello tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be discussing on how you are going to be able to set reminders and all these things in your Trello. So to set notifications and reminders, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to create a board for yourself. So you can go with any of these categories for a board. Let's say I'm just going to go with your classical Kanban template. And now once we're over here, to set notifications and reminders, you can go into any board, and it depends on whatever type of things you want to set for your reminders. Let's say I'm going to click on create board, just give it some random title. I'm going to create, and once you create, I'm just going to add a list. There we go. Now in this list you can add a card. There we go. And once you add a card, in this card you can add in reminders and notifications. So to add in reminders and notifications, first of all, the first thing you're going to do is obviously you're going to add a deadline. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add a deadline over here, which is obviously your reminder. And then to add in notifications, obviously we're going to add power-ups, which is basically your automations. Okay, and what automations does is it's going to let you know about things. So basically, it might be able to send you an email. It might be able to tell you all these different things. So for that, we're going to go on add power up. I'm going to click on automation. Okay, you're going to search for any type of email automation, right? So search for any email automation that it has, and then whatever email automations that it has, you're going to obviously add that. And what this will do is you can tell it that if the deadline is reaching, send me an email through this automation to my email, so that I can obviously set different notifications and reminders for you. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.